South India Garments Association is organizing a 3-day garment fair in Bengaluru from July 26 to 28 at Princess Shrine Palace Ground. Fair will be inaugurated by Sri B.C. Shivkumar, Managing Director of B.S. Chennabasappa and Sons, G.R. Akadas, IRDS Director, MSME DFO, Government of India, and M.S. Kavya Shetty, model and movie actress. Anurag Singhela, President South India Garments Manufacturers and Wholesalers Association said, "We have been working for the welfare and betterment of the garment industry since 1996. We are taking the problems of the garment industry to the authorities concerned and getting those problems solved. We are closely working with various government departments such as Excise Duty, PF, Sales Tax, Ways and Measures Department and other departments. We are the coordinators between the garment industry and the government departments."
So this event is a sales promotion, market and development event, we can say, because Bangalore is the hub for the garment manufacturing, as well as garment is we are having garments from all over India. 10 Indian manufacturers are participating here, and we are expecting more than 2,000 retail buyers. This is B2B, so retail customers, retail showroom walas, they come here and update their fashions. They place orders for future, from autumn winter, for Deepavali, Dashera, Gauri Ganesh, all festive. So we are here to offer the festive collection, next season collection to the retail buyers.
So how do you take these things? Because right now everything is on digital, everything is on online. So how don't you think there's some competition tough right now?
So there is no competition in garment. Garment is selected subject to fit, subject to feel, subject to feel of the fabric and the size. So online you cannot check. If you want fashion, then you have to come on the store.
But again, at the same time, online gives a lot of options because it comes to discount and all that thing. So how it is going to
No, if we talk about fashion, so online cannot do anything. If we talk about regular garments, formals, there is competition. If we talk about shoes, there is competition. Undergarment, there is competition. But fashion, no competition.
So after pandemic, how was this?
We are recovering. Already we have recovered 40% and we are expecting more recovery.